Hi friends, this is Darky from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to automatically hide and show the dog on your Mac. Thanks to a pretty hidden macOS feature, you can automatically hide or show the dog, appearing when the cursor goes to the bottom of the screen and disappearing when the cursor lifts out that area. This offers a more minimalist experience and user interface, and it also optimizes screen real estate by hiding the dog. If you find this feature super cool, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the user interface. After that, choose System Settings in the drop-down menu. In the sidebar, select Desktop and Dog. After that, locate the setting for automatically hide or show the dog, and then turn on the toggle right next to it. And that's pretty much it. Now, when you shrink the cursor to the bottom of the screen, the dog will appear from the bottom. And when you swipe the cursor away from the dog, it will disappear again. Pretty cool, isn't it? It's worth pointing out that you can also hide or show the dog on your Mac by using a super handy keyboard shortcut. Just press the shortcut like Command plus Option plus D to hide or show the dog as per your need, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can take advantage of this hidden macOS feature. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.